In the heart of energy-intensive industries, where water treatment plants hum with life and HVAC systems keep things cool, a new era of efficiency is dawning. The journey of high-speed solutions has evolved from high-maintenance oil-free screws to the efficiency of impeller-based systems. It's time for a performance revolution. Across industries like water and wastewater, HVAC and refrigeration, food and beverage, and more, high-speed solutions are vital. Introducing the ACS 880 high-speed drive from ABB for energy-efficient turbo solutions using high-speed motors. Maximize the efficiency of your high-speed applications while minimizing output current to rating. The drive's reliable motor control ensures consistent and reliable operation, even under demanding conditions. The drive offers a wide power and voltage range, with the flexibility for brand labeling, giving you the freedom to align with your brand identity. The drive is also designed to be compact with standard dimensions and enclosure classes. It even comes with a built-in input choke, which not only reduces the cabinet size, but also makes machine design and installation incredibly straightforward. The ACS 880 high-speed drive ensures optimized performance of demanding applications. With a proven track record, ABB offers support near you wherever you need it. Embrace the revolution of high-speed applications all the way from aeration to refrigeration. Discover how ACS 880 helps you optimize high-speed turbo blowers and compressors.